Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome. So today I am going to be making some coasters. I've got this cute set of 4 silicone diamond edge coaster molds. I'm going to make some very flowery, glittery coasters. Now, as you can see, I've already put a small layer of resin down. It's not fully cured, but it's cured enough to where I can move it around and handle it. I wanted to do it this way because I wanted to have a little thin layer down already, and then I'm going to place my stickers upside down because the bottom is going to be the front of my coaster. So it's very quick, very easy, and very pretty. So all I'm doing is just adding my stickers on top of that first layer of resin. I added some holographic glitter to this first layer, so it's going to be very glittery, but you'll still be able to see the flowers on the other side. Okay, so now that I got my resin all mixed and ready to go, I'm just gonna add some fine cherry blossom glitter. I got that from Walmart, and I'm going to mix it with this chunky, beautiful holographic chunky glitter that I got from Michael's called Prism. I'm gonna mix those all together, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into the mold. See how easy it is? It's really simple, very quick and easy to make some really beautiful summery coasters. Okay, it's been a little less than 24 hours. They're cured enough for me to be able to demold them. I am so impatient. I really wanted to at least demold one, but I didn't do it, you guys. I didn't do it. I just decided to wait. So here they are. They're very translucent, which is perfect. I did contemplate adding a backing to this, a darker color to give it more depth, but I really do like that is translucent. You can see through it. Look at how pretty and glittery that is. So you can see all the glitter, the chunky glitter. You can still see the flowers. This turned out so beautiful, and I do love this look. I was contemplating whether or not I should flip them over and then put a thin coat on the back, but then I thought, no, my whole idea to begin with was to make translucent glittery coasters, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not even gonna do the sides. I'm not even gonna color in the diamond edge sides, because I really do love that you can see through the entire coaster and you see all the layers of the fine glitter, the holographic glitter, and the flowers on top. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and this will be added to my Etsy shop with all the other coasters that I do make here on my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can see all my upcoming videos coming up with Halloween coasters, Christmas coasters coming up, Christmas in July, and so many more. So let me know what you think about how these turned out in the comments below. I will leave the link to these coaster molds in the description for you, so you can see, so you can pick up your own if you like at my Amazon store. And this set of coasters will be available on my Etsy shop. I will leave that link to my Etsy shops, to all the coasters that I make here, everything that I make here on my channel. So let me know what you think about how they turned out in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate you, and I do appreciate the time you take in watching my videos. So thanks for watching again, guys. Till next time, see you soon. Bye-bye.